Hello, and welcome back to another video. This is Kinsey, and today we are going to be cutting my husband's hair. We thought he was just gonna go to a barber shop and go and get it cut, but then he's like, nope, you're cutting my hair. And I'm like, cool, I'm gonna film it. So that is what we're gonna do today. Hopefully his goes a little smoother than cutting my own hair, but we will see. I don't think he'll let me shave it off if I mess it up, so. Looking in the mirror right now. I did better on the back than the last time I did a quarantine haircut on his hair, but I'm feeling like that could go better. I'm going to insert the reference picture he gave me. It's a lot shorter than what I did, and I don't know, because I can't put hair back. See what he thinks. So he hates it. He is going to shower and then try to style it. Worst case, we may be headed to a salon anyway. Ugh. I tried.